Welcome to our tutorial on creating professional salary slip using Microsoft Excel. We have previously learned how to develop and maintain salary sheet. Today in this tutorial, we will guide you through step by step, ensuring you can easily guarantee accurate and visually appealing salary slip for your employees. I am giving the link of the practice file in the description also. You can download it for your practice. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Basically, this salary slip contains three main segments. Number one is the company detail, secondly, employee details, and thirdly, salary detail. We will develop all this using employee salary sheet that I have explained in our previous tutorial. I am giving the link in I button and also in the description so that if you are interested, you may watch it later on. First, I am going to the View tab, and here I will select the page layout. After this, I will go to the page layout and then click Margins, and here I will select the narrow margins. Now I am going to adjust the width of the columns because I only need 4 columns. First, I am entering the company detail. I will select the first row of the 4 columns. I will merge them, and you know that the merge and center button is present under the home tab. So I will select it, and here I will write the name of the company. I will select it, increase the font size to 28, make it bold. Again, I will select these cells in the second row and merge them. Here I will write the address of the company or any firm. I will reduce the font size to 11, and then the third row will again merge, and here I will write the monthly salary slip. I will select it, increase the font size to 14, make it bold, and here the company detail is completed. So I would like to apply a thick border to the bottom. So I will select this cell and go to this border, and here I will select the thick bottom border. After this, I will leave one row empty, and then I will go to this B5 cell, and here I will start entering the employee details such as the ID, name, designation, month and year. You can customize the information that you would like to appear on the salary slip. I will select them. I will increase the font size to 12, make it bold, left align it, also apply border to it. So I have applied all borders. After this, again I will leave this row empty and jump to the next row. I will select the first 2 columns and merge them, and here I will write the earnings. And the next 2 cells are again merged, and here I will write deductions. I will select both of them, increase the font size to 12, make them bold. Now I will add the salary detail of the employees. I am going to write various heads under earnings and deduction. You can customize it as per your salary sheet. At the end of the earnings head, I am going to write gross salary. I will select it, increase the font size to 12, make it bold. Under the deductions, I am going to write total deduction. I would also like to have the same formatting, so I am going to this cell and select the paint formatting and paint it on the whole row. Under the total deduction, I will write net salary. I will select these 2 cells and increase the font size to 14, make them bold. Now I will select this section of the salary slip and apply border to it. After this, again I will leave this row empty And here I will select these two cells. I'll merge them and write employee signature. And in the next two cells, again I will merge it, and here I will make the space for the signature of the director. I will select both of them and make them bold. After this, I will select the whole space of the salary slip and apply a thick border to outside. Now the basic structure of the salary slip is ready, and now we have to link this salary slip to the salary sheet so that with simple click you can retrieve the whole information easily. The first thing that we have to do is to create the list of the employee ID. I will select this cell in front of the employee ID and I will go to the data tab and select the data validation. Here I will select list, and in the source I will develop the list of all the employees from the salary sheet. So I will select the employee IDs and then click OK. Now we have the list of all the employees, and we can switch between different employees using this drop down list. I will select these cells, go to the Home tab and make them bold. Now the next thing that we want to get is the name. For getting the name, I am going to use the function of VLOOKUP. For this purpose, I will write equal VLOOKUP bracket start. First I have to select the lookup value, and lookup value is actually the employee ID, because we will be using this employee ID to switch between different employees. After this I have to put comma, and then we have to select the table array, and table array is the employee salary sheet. So I will go to this employee sheet, and here I will click the first cell and then press and hold the Ctrl Shift key and then press the right arrow and then Ctrl Shift down arrow. After this we have to put comma, and the next thing that we have to provide is the column index number. Column index number is actually the number where the desired information is present in the table array. So because we are searching for the names of the employees which is present in the second column, so I will write 2 over here and then I will put comma, and for exact match I will write 0, close this bracket and hit enter. You can see that as I switch between different employees, the name of the employee is changing with this drop down list. Now for the designation, I will select the same formula of the VLOOKUP and copy it, and here in front of designation I will write equal and paste the same formula. The only thing that I will change is the column index number, because for each information the column index number will be different and rest of the formula will be same. So I will write 3 over here because the column index number in the salary sheet for the designation is 3. So after writing 3, I'll press enter. So in this way we get the designation of the employee. I am going to left align this employee ID. All the earning heads as well as the deduction heads will be retrieved from the salary sheet using the same VLOOKUP formula that I have copied. For example, if I want to get the basic salary of this employee, I have to write the formula, that is equal, paste the formula, and here the only thing that I have to change is the column index number. For the basic pay, the column index number in the salary sheet is 7, so I will write 7 and press enter. For house rent, again the same formula. The only thing different is the column index number, that is 8. So I'll write 8 and press enter, and similar will be done for all the information, and you will be getting the all information automatically from your salary sheet. After this, I will use the sum function to calculate the gross salary. So I will write equal sum bracket start and add all the earning heads. Close this bracket and press enter. Similarly, all the deductions will be added up using the same sum function. And for the net salary, I will write equal, and here I will select the gross salary and subtract the total deductions from it, and you will get the net salary. For getting the month and year, I'll use the today function. So I'll write equal today bracket start close and hit enter. So you get the current date, but the format in which I want is the month and year only. So I'll press Ctrl 1 to go to the format cell, and here I will select this custom and select month and year format and press OK. So you only get the month and year. Now I will use some fill color to distinguish between various sections of the salary slip. I will use the light color because most of the times the salary slip is printed in black and white. So now you see that you get the salary slip, and with the simple click of changing the employee ID using the drop down, all the information is changing automatically. And the special thing about this salary slip is that it is linked with your salary sheet. So any change you make in your salary record will automatically get into your salary slip, and you don't need to change it again and again. To see how it print, I'm going to press Ctrl P, and here you can see how simple yet elegant and full of all the required information the salary slip is. And there you have it. We have successfully learned how to craft a detailed and efficient salary slip in Microsoft Excel. We hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful Excel tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.